gone over this.
2017. Justicia!
Justicia!
CC is their last hope for justice. Pinay sa Holland Gabriela stands here tonight.
Jail! Jail! Duterte!
Jail! 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 Lahat ay inipo ng Diyos na
Justice!
Justice!
Lawyer Hemar Apada killed December 2016. Katarungan!
Katarungan!
Lawyer Arlan Castañeda killed December 2016. Justicia!
Justicia!
Lawyer Gering Peneranga Sr. killed December.
Attorney Benjamin Ramos, who defended the marginalized, became targets in a city.
People's resistance against this fascist regime is far from over.